Hallo, ich heiße Dirk, ich bin 19 Jahre alt und ich arbeite als Sonnenjunge zweimal pro Woche.
Hallo, ich bin Miriam und ich bin 13 Jahre alt. Ich habe eine Krankheit, der heißt Traumsyndrom.
Hallo, ich bin Amanda und ich bin die Mutter. Ich bin 38 Jahre alt und hier in Deutschland arbeite ich als Kassiererin.
Hallo, ich bin Tobias und ich bin der Vater. Ich bin 30 Jahre alt und ich arbeite in einer Autowerkstatt.
4.5 years ago, Sweden attacked Denmark, our homeland. So there began a big war between the countries. We were forced to flee. We fled over the German border. Our neighbor smuggled us in a van over the border because the Danish government made it illegal to flee because they were afraid of losing too many citizens. When we was over the border, we walked through the woods all the way down to a little city out of Bremen. It was a very hard time to flee because it was so cold and the weather was just bad. But the good thing about it was that our personal bond got better because we had to spend every single moment together. It was hard for us all, but most for Miriam and Sadek because they had to learn a new language. It took over a half year to get to Germany from Denmark. When we had been homeless for 3 weeks, we finally found a house that had what we needed, and that's where we live now.
Yes, I have been looking over your applications. You want to get into Germany? Yeah. And I'm happy to tell you that you have been approved.
Yes.
So you are now legally citizens in Germany.
Thank you.
So congratulations and have a nice day.
Where do you live now?
We live in Germany, out of Bremen.
Yeah, and what do you do for a living?
I work at a car repair shop where I fix cars.
I work in Aldrig as a checkout assistant.
How do you live like here?
Well, we don't like the life here because I can't go to school anymore.
And I can not speak the language very well.
How long have you been here?
We have been here for almost 4 years now, and our life is on the way to normal, I guess.
Yeah, what is life like here?
It's a little bit hard because we're a family who comes to Germany and don't know anything about the place and just have to live here. So.
Have a nice day, Sadek.
You too.
I love my new job here in Germany because I'm very good at it.
Bye bye!
Hi.
I love when my mom get home because then we can sit and talk about things that we did when we were back home in Denmark.
I don't like to go to school because I get bullied and the language is very hard to learn.
Ja, was macht ihr in eurer Freizeit?
Ich schwimmen.
Du schwimmst, ja, und du? Du spielst
I get bullied because I'm Danish.
Wie alt seid ihr?
You shitty ass potato Dane!
Ein,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,